In this video, we will see how to use SwiftData in order to delete a node from our database, okay? So here, if we do a long press on this node, for example, we can see that we have this on delete coming up, okay? And if we hit on this on delete, as you can see, it will delete the node from our database, okay? And in this video, we will see step by step how to accomplish this result. Okay, the first thing we want to do, we want to add this some kind of animation, okay? When we do a long press on this one, we want to display this delete, okay? Because right now, we don't have it, okay? If we do a long click here, nothing happen, okay? So let us go back to our app, okay? We can put this guy here, okay? And if we go back to our content view, what we want to do on this node row, okay? After this on tap gesture, what we want to do, we want to add something called a context menu. So it's gonna to be that context menu. And inside this context menu, what we want to do, we want to add a button, okay? So let's go ahead, it's gonna to be button. For the action for now, we will leave it empty. And for the content of our button, for now, we can simply put a simple text. So for the text, we can say delete, and we can run our app just to see the result, okay? So let's go ahead and run our app. And if we come here and we do a long press on this, as you can see, we have a delete button, okay? If I do it here, as you can see, we have a delete button, okay? So simply by adding this context menu, we can achieve this, okay? But now, as you can see here, we have this delete, but we also have this icon, okay? So let's go ahead and add this icon image. First of all, for this text, what we can do, we can maybe change the foreground color to red. And now we can add our image, okay? So it's gonna to be image. And for the name, we want it to be crash. So if we launch the app again, normally we are supposed to see this text, type and delete, and also this image with the crash icon. So let's go ahead and run the app again. And if we do the long press, as you can see, we have this delete and this crash icon, okay? For some reason, this foreground style color doesn't apply. I don't know why. So maybe we'll simply remove it, okay? So now we want to focus on this action, okay? Because every time we tap on this one, we want to do something, okay? Because right now it's not doing anything. So here, inside this action, what we want to do, we want to call this context. I don't know if we have context here. Let me check. Okay, we don't have context, because remember this context, what is this context for? For those of you guys who just joined, I will strongly recommend you to watch the previous video, because we explain everything about this context, okay? So for the sake of this video, what we will do, we simply come here and copy this, okay? So this environment, and we want to paste it here, okay? Because this context is what we provided on the root of our app, okay? So now that we have this context here, what we want to do, simply want to copy this, okay? So we can copy this context. And now that we have this context, what we can do, we can call this delete method, okay? And as you can see, the delete, it will delete the specified model, okay? So we have to provide the model, okay? So here, for this delete, we want to pass a model, okay? And guess what? We have a model here, okay? Because our model here is this node, okay? So we want to delete the selected node, okay? So we can simply copy this node and we can paste it here. And that's it. That's how easy it is, okay? So let us test our app. So if we run again and we do a long press here, we have this delete, okay? And if we hit on this delete, as you can see, it will delete it from our database, okay? If we can do the same for this blank node. If I hit this delete, as you can see, everything is working perfectly, okay? So guys, that's it for this video. I really hope you have enjoyed it. If that's the case, please like and subscribe. Take care. Bye bye.